The greatest use of life is to spend it on something that will outlast it. Those words by William James describes our life achievement honoree, Marita Golden. From saving our sons, don't play in the sun, and do remember me. Her words go beyond the pages, stirring the activist in all of us.
Because our history and our herstory, on the one hand, was terribly oppressive, but that same oppressive history, herstory, created in us a symbiotic relationship with our power. And it's no accident that so many of the heroes of African American history are women.
Ms. Golden is an award-winning novelist, nonfiction writer, educator, and co-founder of the Hurston Wright Foundation, a national organization that serves as a resource center for African American writers.
Young writers come to our workshop. They are not just developing craft. They're not just learning how to create dialogue and create scenes. They're learning how to think. So that whereas the historian deals in facts, the statistician deals in numbers, the fiction writer deals in heart and soul and smell and feeling.
All of Golden's accomplishments, which includes many distinguished awards, are part of a legacy that she's created that puts a stamp on the future of Black literature. Tonight we honor her for all that she has done and continues to do in finding and keeping our stories on the literary landscape. And that's why she matters. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a warm GOG welcome to this year's Life Achievement winner, Marita Golden.